Hello guys and welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man. On today's video, we are going to be learning how to create this Play It logo you see on your screen now with PixelLab. Okay, how you can vectorize this logo, a replica of this logo with PixelLab. So that's what we are going to be learning on this particular video. So let's get started. So I'm going to turn it off and then select the new text on my screen. Okay, and then I'm going to go here and then import the image I've sketched. And then I'm going to crop it. Here I'll have image and I'll expand it as much as I want and then reduce the opacity to see what I'm vectorizing behind the sketch. Okay, and after this I'm going to go here and then lock it so I can't be able to move it again. So I'm going to pick my Brixer and then I'm going to reduce my stroke to around 2. Okay, then after that I'm going to click on my transformation and then close my loop. Here I have it. So I'm going to start vectorizing. So follow me up step by step to see how I do it and then let's get started. So guys, this is where we'll get at the end of the day. So this is the Play It logo, more like what we have here at Initial, right? So this is what we have, and then this is what we vectorize. So you can see that they look more similar to each other. So this is how to create any kind of logo with PixelLab. You can do it with PixelLab. Like you say, I did it with PixelLab now, and it is perfect one. Okay, so you can go ahead to remove the image that you use for vectorization, and then go to your background, and then you can change the background color to anything more interesting. Okay, and then you can see your logo at the end of the video. So guys, if this video helped, please don't forget to share, like and comment, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notification to see more of our video like this anytime we drop them. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video. Goodbye from here.